असे आम्ही फाटल्या 2 म्हयन्यांसान हे चालू केल्ले आसा where we are checking these interstate buses and the food items coming through the interstate buses, and today is our 8th visit here. And over these 8 visits we have seen that a lot of the stocks that were coming earlier have stopped. Nevertheless, few items अजुनी जे without label येता तशें आमकां मेवल्ले आसा. We have found some goat milk also today that has been imported into Goa for some cheese making which has come without label. So we have taken custody of these stocks and we will carry out further investigation. Through this process we have also started educating the suppliers from other states. आणि खूप अवेअरनेस चालू जाल्लो आसा, बट फ्यू नॉन कंप्लायन्सीस वी आर स्टील सीइंग अँड दिस विल कंटिन्यू in the next few months to ensure that जे ह्या चॅनलान येता ते 100% compliant आसपाक जाय. We will ensure that it is compliant.
मजगती वेर्ला काणकाप परमेश यादवाच्या फरसाणीच्या गाड्यार धाड. गाड्याक खंय FSSIचो परवानो नाशिल्लो, ताचेरूय FDA ची कारवाय. प्रुडंटा खातीर सौरव शिरोडकार.